Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to rant on Lily Gets Grounded. Enjoy the video. Lily gets grounded. What? More like Lily gets ungrounded? Oh my gosh! This Grounded series sucks. I'm gonna explain why that I hate this Grounded series. Number 1. Lily is a really nice and adorable girl, and she's my favorite Caillou character. Second, I love her blonde hair, her little bow thing on top of her hair. Number 3, this Grounded series is getting overrated. And number 4, this Grounded series is getting old. Yep, I hate this Grounded series with a burning passion. And you know who likes this Grounded series? Nobody. Nobody likes this Grounded series. And do you know who hates this Grounded series? And do you know who hates this Grounded series? Me. Because we don't want Lily to get grounded. So screw Lily Gets Grounded. And screw Rosie Gets Grounded. And guys, one more thing. Do not watch this Grounded series. Because this Grounded series sucks. So screw Lily Gets Grounded. And screw Rosie Gets Grounded. Because I also hate Rosie Gets Grounded too. Lily Gets Ungrounded is better. Lily Gets Ungrounded is better than Lily Gets Grounded. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below.